Okay, hello everyone. I hope you're all doing well. Okay, so we've seen the int and the float data types. Now Python also has another data type called str, which really stands for a string. Remember we talked about a string as being a series of characters that are joined together, right? You can think of strings as sentences in English, right? But in programming, it's a string. One or more characters joined together, right? So really, it's the type is, I'm going to use a comment over here to label it str. Okay, so just like we had int, we have float, and now we have str. So in this video, we're going to look at str. And the way Python knows that the value you're storing in the variable is a string is by double quotations or single quotations. If you surround the value with double quotations or single quotations, so I can create a variable called, let's say, full name, and then set it a value of, let's say, Atakakra Tom. That's my name. It's long, I know. So Python knows that this value is a string because I'm surrounding this entire value with double quotations. It knows it's of data type str. Now I can also use single quotations. We've seen this, right? We've seen this before, right? But I just want you to know the different types. You'll be aware of them, because, like I said, there are certain operations you can perform on certain types of data, and not other types. And so and there are some functions that work on certain types of data and not other types. So this will be how to. Now personally, I like to use double quotations, but we'll talk more about mixing double quotations and single quotations in your programs. We'll talk more about it. But this is of type str, and we can try to test it by using a print function over here to print out full name. Run the program, and it can print out the full name. We can even try to be fancy. Remember what we learned about passing multiple arguments into the print function. We can the first argument. They're all strings, right? But this is stored in a variable, so this is going to be actually my second argument. I'm just putting a comma here to type in the first argument here. First argument is going to be another string saying my full name is. All right, remember we talked about passing multiple arguments into the print function. So this is the first argument, my full name is, and this is the second argument, full name, which contains the value Atakakra Ditom Henan, right? My name is weird, I know. All right, so we know that when arguments are passed into the print function this way, by default, when they are displayed, the individual arguments are displayed with a space separating them, right? So this, my full name is going to have a space separating it, and then another full name when it's displayed, not by here. This space here is just me putting it there. I can leave it this way and still work. We'll talk more about this, don't worry. All right, so let's run it. My full name is Atakakra Ditomi Hanan, right? So we can see the first argument, my full name is, that's this, is separated by a space, and then the second argument is full name, which is the value Atakakra Ditomi Hanan over here, right? So just be aware of that data type. It's of type str, and we'll see more of it in the future. All right, so that's the third data type. If you have any questions, please comment down below, and I'll do everything to respond to them. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time with the next video. All right then, bye bye.